Bahamian women diagnosed with cervical cancer and those susceptible to getting it will soon have more of a fighting chance of beating the odds. This according to the Minister of Health, Dr. Hubert Minnis, who says the HPV vaccine will soon be introduced locally. The vaccine, he says, is being introduced globally, and once protocols are completed, it will be available here in the Bahamas.
HPV has just recently come in. We're not using it now. We're putting the protocol and policies in place for that so that that can be introduced. We see about 45 cases of cancer cervix annually, and therefore it'll be very significant in terms of preventing that.
Well, speaking with stakeholders in the medical profession during a recent forum, Dr. Minnis also advised more widespread coverage of the influenza vaccine, a position with which Deputy Chief Medical Officer at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Delon Brennan, agrees.
We also want the community to know that the influenza vaccine that we've been giving for some time should be given to not just a select group, but to the population at large. We speak about flu, where you have about 500,000 people dying every year from flu. And if we have the vaccine, we in the Bahamas certainly would not want to fall within that mortality or morbidity category. And it's essential that our population understand that a lot of illnesses, disease, and deaths we can prevent. And I think the health is in the forefront of prevention, pushing prevention, and I think most other entities, be it crime, etc., should likewise be like health, pushing prevention. I think the prevention is cure for most problems that we face.
What we found is the general public, the healthy public, is a reservoir for those diseases, and they're passing it on to the rest of the public that may be susceptible but aren't able to get the vaccine. So we need to revamp our activities so that everyone is protected, so not only do they not get the disease, but they also can't pass it on to someone else.